Hi there, we're back with Zebronics का गर्मा गर्म newly launched soundbar, the Zeb Jukebar 3820A Pro. Yes, Zebronic namings have always been confusing, but I'm very excited for this one. And the biggest reason is that this soundbar comes with built-in Alexa. What an amazing concept. Now we have seen Echo speakers before that play music on voice command, but here the Alexa is built in and it doubles as an Echo speaker and a soundbar that connects to your TV for that theater-like experience. Absolutely amazing. But still, we got to check it out ourselves. So let's unbox it, we'll see how it looks, how it sounds, the Alexa experience, and I'll let you know if this one is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. It's a standalone soundbar without a subwoofer. Built-in Alexa logo in bold right in the center. Zeb Jukebar 3820A Pro, model number is mentioned here. It also supports the Zeb Smart Jukebar app. Here are all the inputs available: USB, Bluetooth 5.0, aux, optical, built-in dual subwoofer, dual far field mics for Alexa, and HDMI ARC input. Some specifications: 80 watt sound output, the dimensions, and the weight. Finally, here are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $29,999. But don't worry, you can get this for less than a third of that. Alright, can't wait, let's open it up. So here's everything that you get inside the box, starting with the soundbar itself. Then you have a user manual in English. Then you have an aux cable, which is an analog aux cable with 3.5 headphone jack. Then you have a really good quality HDMI cable, and I'm really glad that Zebronics has provided this in the packaging. Then you have two metal stands to wall mount the soundbar, some screws and fasteners, two AAA batteries for the remote, and of course the remote itself. Now this looks very familiar, but still I'd say it's different. Now on the right is the Zebronics remote that we've seen with other soundbars. They look very similar, but if you look closely, the finish and quality of this one is much better. This has a little glossy touch to it. Also, if you look closely, buttons are a little different. You have the mute button here, while the mute button is here. It has the Alexa button, obviously, because this soundbar supports Alexa, and the bass and treble buttons have been swapped. Overall, I can say this is a welcome change. It looks really nice and the quality is really good. Alright, let's have a closer look at the soundbar. So here is the soundbar and it looks very premium. The build is a combination of metal and plastic. It has a metal grill on the front going all the way to the back. Notice a single line on the top in the center, giving it a really cleaner feel. On the left you can see the Zebronics branding, while on the extreme right is the Amazon Alexa logo. The sides have this cone design, very sleek. The length of the soundbar is 36 inches. It will help those who have limited space. On the front are two 2.75-inch built-in subwoofers for better bass, while two 1.75-inch high-frequency top-firing tweeters. In total, they provide 80 watt sound output. There are 6 buttons on the top: power, input, volume up, volume down, Alexa wake up button, and mic mute button. Now this is the only button that is backlit when pressed, which is really smart idea. You don't want too much light on the soundbar. On the front are LED lights instead of display. Each color signifies an input source. Blue means Bluetooth, purple is aux, orange is optical, yellow is HDMI ARC, pink is USB, and white is for Wi-Fi. Now all the ports are placed at the bottom. Starting from the left, we see the USB port, 3.5 aux in, optical, and 3.5mm headphone jack. It covers all that you need, but the USB port is placed in such a way that you can't use your pen drive if the soundbar is on the table. Now I'm very surprised why Zebronics has designed it such. So keep it in mind, even though this has a USB port, it's impossible to access it unless the soundbar is wall mounted. Alright, let's power it on and also set up Alexa. Now first you see the red light. Press the input button till you see the white lights. It will also say Wi-Fi mode.
Wi-Fi mode.
Take your Android or iPhone, download the Zeb Smart Jukebar app, come to devices and click add. Search and you'll find Zeb Jukebar, enter Wi-Fi details, enter Amazon login and password, follow the remaining steps, and Alexa should be set up in a couple of minutes. There you go. A quick glance at the app. On the Browse tab, you can preset your favorite playlist for easy access. your favorite songs, my songs, access music services directly from here, Spotify, Amazon Music. You can choose music directly from here, which is amazing. Then Amazon Alexa settings. Also, the good thing of the app is that you can change the input sources directly from here. Helpful in case you find all those colorful LED lights very confusing. Then in devices, you can see which track is playing. You can adjust the volume from here. Further in settings, you can rename it and few more settings. So the soundbar comes with two far-field mics, and I've realized it's very responsive even from a distance when you call it out. Not just that, it was also really quick. Like most Echo speakers, there is a second of delay, but this was like really snappy. Instant. Check this out. Alexa, as you can see, the blue lights turn on and there is a ting sound when you call out that word. Now you can ask it to play your favorite music, your favorite playlist, control all your Alexa smart home devices like lights, fan, AC, switches. The list is endless and it's so convenient. Alexa on your soundbar completely eliminates the need of a separate Echo speaker. Now for those who have never used an Echo speaker might have some questions like, will we need an Amazon Prime membership to play music on this? Well, if you have it, it's better. But if you don't have it, it's fine. It's not mandatory. If you have it, by default, it'll play music from Amazon Music. If you don't, you ask it to play a music, it'll play from Hungama, JioSaavn or Gaana. All you have to do is just ask it to play a song and it'll find it from any of these sources and play it for you. Alright, now how does it sound? Well, I did play a lot of music on it and unfortunately I can't play any of them from the streaming apps due to copyright issues. So here's a copyright-free sample audio playing on the soundbar via my phone's Bluetooth. Okay, so I was surprised that an 80-watt soundbar could get so loud. I mean, even at just the volume of 3 and 4, it was good enough for a medium-sized room. However, at full volume, I could feel there is some distortion. But trust me, you probably would never play this at full volume. It wouldn't reach till there. It would be enough at even 4 and 5. Coming to the audio quality, well, it's very well balanced. Nice instrument separation, very clear, also pretty decent bass. And that too for a soundbar without an external subwoofer. Of course, you won't get the thumping bass that you get with external subwoofers, but it's the right amount that makes the audio sound rich. Alright, time to set it up with the TV, because eventually it's a soundbar that's ideally designed to work with TVs. Connect the provided HDMI cable on the soundbar and the other end to the TV's HDMI port. Make sure you connect it to the TV's HDMI ARC port and turn on CEC. You'll find CEC or Custom Electronic Control in the input settings on your Android TV. The benefit of this is that your soundbar turns on and off when you turn on and off your TV, and you can also control the soundbar volume with the TV's remote, which is very convenient. Alright, time for a demo. Wow, that sounded pretty good. Very clear highs, you could actually feel the sound. Also, the bass was noticeable and added to the dynamic of the whole movie experience. It's not something extraordinary, but miles better than any TV speaker for sure. However, having a dedicated subwoofer would probably have taken this soundbar to the next level. Hopefully we see that variant soon. Now for me personally, the only con I see is the poor placement of the USB port. But if you're going to wall mount the soundbar or you never use a USB pen drive like I do, then probably it's not a problem for you. Now a soundbar with built-in Alexa is just a perfect combo. A theater for your TV, a voice-controlled music player and a smart speaker that controls your smart home devices. It's a smart soundbar. Sounds nice. So you can get the Zeb Jukebar 3820A Pro from Amazon for just $8,999, which I think is an excellent deal. Even the smallest Echo Dot would cost around $2,500 to $3,000. So technically you're paying just $6,000 for the soundbar. And let me tell you that this will sound way better than any Echo Dot. Grab the Alexa Zebronics soundbar right away. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.